Hey Shopify sellers, looking for a way to keep customers updated and reduce all those "where is my order" messages? Say hello to 17track Order Tracking, a trusted app that helps you deliver a smooth, branded post-purchase experience. What is 17track? Once your orders are fulfilled, 17track takes over, automatically sending real-time tracking updates that keep your customers in the loop. This reduces support tickets, builds trust, and improves customer satisfaction. But it doesn't stop there. With 17track, you can create a fully branded multilingual tracking page, show estimated delivery dates right on your store, sync tracking data with PayPal to reduce chargebacks and speed up fund release, hide Chinese origin details for a cleaner drop shipping experience, and even boost sales with smart product recommendations during tracking. You'll also get powerful analytics to monitor last mile delivery, receptions, and transit time so you can improve your shipping and logistics strategy. When it comes to pricing, starts for free with 50 shipments per month. And if you need more, paid plans starts at just $9 a month, and each comes with a 14-day free trial so you can try it before you commit. The higher tier plans unlock more shipments, detailed analytics, multilingual tracking, product recommendations, and even logo removal. Ratings and reviews. This 17track over 4,000 reviews and a 4.9 star averaging rating. 17track is clearly one of the most trusted order tracking solutions on the Shopify App Store. Want a live preview? Right down below the install button, click View Demo Store to see how 17track works in real time. It's the best way to visualize how the tracking page looks and functions from your customer's point of view. So if you wanted fewer with more tickets, faster PayPal release, and more repeat sales, check out 17track order tracking today on Shopify.